Hello guys and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Here I will teach you how to turn Scratch 360p default graphics into 1080p Full HD like the Unity games. So leave a like and let's begin. I'm making a character for reference. It can be a simple circle. I am adding some ice real quick. Naming this sprite to player. And now let's code. For this one we will have a script to point towards the mouse cursor, and move forward, when we click W key, and backwards, when we click S key. Now we are making the background. This one will be a little bit tricky to make, but I will explain how to do it. Firstly, we have to set the stage size to 640 by 360 so that we have a wide screen. This will help us to draw the background more precisely. Pick a nice gradient and two colors, one that's darker, and one that's lighter. I wanted to represent a grass field, so I picked green. Now zoom out and draw a big rectangle. You could either leave it like this and set size to 300. Or if you want higher quality, do what I'm doing right now. I am splitting it in 4 quarters by copy-pasting and then positioning them with their corners in the middle. Just the way you see on the screen. Now set the size to 1920 by 1080 because that's Full HD. However, you should always do this at the end as it's really hard to make changes afterwards. In case you want to add something, you can set the screen size back to 640 by 360. Now let's package our project so we can run it directly in the browser as a HTML file. You should check the boxes I am depending on your project requirements. Remove fencing lets the sprites become as big or as small as they want and move off screen, while interpolation makes 2D projects move much smoother. Don't use this on 3D because it will lag them. And put your custom stage size here as well. You can play with these settings on your own, but our target is getting the Full HD game working. Make sure you select plain HTML, and I exported it to desktop, so now just double click it and let's see. Our game is working perfectly and it's definitely a higher quality than 360p games. By doing this, people will have difficulties noticing it's made in Scratch, so leave a like and see you in the next one.